Hello to my friends in Mrs. Macy's class. It's me, Mr. Bray. Do you remember me? I was your specialist. I'm also right across the hall. I want to make this video for you to go over the top coders in Mrs. Macy's class from the 5 or 6 weeks we were together. And I also want to make this video for our friends at home who are unable to be in the building to see what it looks like out front of my classroom and just give them a look inside the school. So first is the picture of the bulletin board right in front of my room. You see there's my welcome sign and there's my door. You can kind of see my board over there. On here, I have a chart of all the lines of code that all the day 5 students did. So all the groups that I had on day 5, I tabulated all of the number of lines we did. And for day 5, we did 39,229 lines of code. Just an amazing, amazing job by everyone. So what I'm going to do now is go through the top 5 coders in Mrs. Macy's class. So the people who coded the 5 most number of lines. And we'll start with number 5. So number 5 was Irving. Irving, excellent job, bud. Irving coded 202 lines of code while in my class. Way to go, Irving. Number 4 was Talia. Talia, 213 lines of code. Awesome job, Talia. In third place, Dominic with 221 lines of code. Dominic, awesome job, dude. In second place, with 236 lines of code, was Melissa. Melissa, awesome job. I'm so proud of you. And then there was one. Our top coder in Mrs. Macy's class is Julian with an astounding 329 lines of code. Julian, awesome job, bud. Way to go. Now, as a class, Mrs. Macy's class all together, when I added all of our lines of code, we coded 3,121 lines of code. You just blew me away. We did an amazing, amazing job. So congratulations. I hope you guys are having fun in your next special. And I'll poke my head out and say hi to you and maybe have some dance parties when I hear Mrs. Macy playing music. Have a great day, everybody. Bye-bye.